Alright, welcome to a video of UATech. Haven't posted in a very long time, so I was thinking I should post another YouTube video. This one's actually going to be a new one, and this one's going to be a Photoshop video on the laze effect. So here we have the Photoshop place, the main desktop that we have here, the main menu, and you can click on either create new or open, but I already have this, and this is what we are going to make, as you guys can see. We're gonna make it look a little better, so I'm just gonna close this real quick, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the main image that we have. So this is my face, and you guys can take whatever picture you want of your face, and then you can take the lace bag that you want that has that half face on the top. Then we're going to take this object selection tool that we have here in the corner. It's the fourth one from the top. Select the lace packet. As you guys can see, it'll select the packet. You can see the white and black stripe. Oops, accidentally closed the picture. Go ahead and reopen it. Go here and copy paste. Alright, and then we're going to use the move tool that's on the very top to move it where we need. And then we're going to go ahead and click on edit, and then we're going to go ahead and transform scale. So we're going to go ahead and scale it, and we're going to make it bigger so it matches the size of my face. So as you guys can see, we can go ahead and increase the size real quick to the proper size so it actually fits the face and it looks kind of realistic. But right now it looks kind of small, so let's go ahead and adjust it a little more. Here we go. Alright, yeah, a little smaller, move it to the left a bit, and yeah, I think that's perfect. So now after that, we're going to go ahead and let's just see real quick. Actually, I think we should I think it's good. That's how it should look. You can see the lace packet. So click on file, click on save as, or you can click on save. Don't show me again, and do it on your computer. Go ahead and save it in the file that you want. I'm gonna do it in my saved pictures folder here on my laptop that I'm using. So I'm gonna go into my folder, go into my pictures, saved pictures, click on that PDF that was made by Photoshop, and here you go. This is the picture we want, but unfortunately we have a Photoshop picture. So what we are going to do is go ahead and use the snipping tool. Click on new and go ahead and snip that out. Go ahead and cut it out the way you want. Alright, that's perfect. Click on file, save as, and then it's going to save as an image, not a Photoshop icon. So if you go back and you go into your pictures, you can have the actual picture saved that we created in Photoshop. I call it the lace bag effect, because half of it is your face and the other half is the bag itself. So it looks kind of cool. The Photoshop lace effect, as you guys can see. So that's it. That's all.